Okay, class. What did you see? The water fills the container. Uzaina, what did you see?
Liquid has water.
Okay, Mariam. You tell me, what did you see?
Liquid has water.
Very good. Because liquid has volume, it has no fixed shape. Okay, Aisha. Put some solid thing in glass. Now at another glass. Very good. Hania, now you tell me, what did you see? Okay, Hania, tell me.
The spoon has solid, it has fixed shape.
Very good. Okay, Heather, now pick up the one balloon and blow it. Okay, Deva, this is a balloon. Now tell me, what kind of matter in this balloon? Yes, it's air, because air take place equally. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Manur. Light up the candle. Very good. Okay, Shal. Now blow the candle. Okay, what did you see? Look at the smoke. What did you see?
Smoke.
Very good. Smoke is a kind of.
Yeah.
Okay, class. Are you learning about? Are you enjoying this activity?